People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, this video won't be long because I'm really I throw out my line and then I'm gonna try to really team back with some serious intel because this story is not adding up. The story about the young lady Price Johnson that was cut down in the most barbaric of fashions, right in our own yard. An act of savagery that, unfortunately, is all too common. But me read the story and it's not adding up. The people them from Palm Grove Court. Me I wonder if I want different Palm Grove Court. That one must come from Mars. Can't the Palm Grove Court. Right. Let me know this something. Because if I did so, all I want to have to go tell me for something mother right now. Any PIA we have in a Palm Grove Court, link up. As I say, this video won't be long. I throw a line. But then reeling back something we can't work with. Cause this can't go so. The story about quote unquote unsound mind man walking in a house, force himself on a little girl, mash up her head, kill her and walk out back. With all due no respect, Harry Saxon, I think no found a lie. Or at least I leave out a big part of the details. This couldn't go down like how them say it go down. Very unlikely. People are vile. I could talk about it. Before we go into that, I have two Patreon birthday shout out. The first one goes out to Robert. Right. Today is Robert's birthday. Patreon squad member from September 2023. Robert, hope you enjoy yourself, sir. Right, big up yourself. Tell you something, I go drop the video. Tell you something, I go drop the shout out and see it. Live life to the fullest. Big up your family, big up your friends. I know so them make sure say you have a good time. That's Robert from the Patreon squad. One more year upon them. Big up yourself, Robert. Next up we have birthday shout out coming from Ashani. This one goes out to Sarah. He might tell me say Sarah can talk French. Can talk Francais. He might give me message in French too, you know. He might say them don't tell us that me can't read and write so well. I wanna send a message in French. If you barely can read and write English, how we go manage the French? I'm gonna try my best till it say Je t'aime, mon femme, mon amour. That's how you go. I try a thing, you know. Sarah Shani I say him look forward to having more coffee and bread and cheese in the morning and red wine in the evening. Hold on there, Shani. Stop this up. Stop this, Shani. See them videos. Them video and a joke video still in the car. I'm telling you already what happened to Price Johnson, but I have to ask you, Ashani. Coffee and bread and cheese in the morning. A French style that. Make sure you still get into my banana and some porridge and everything there. Either way, Sarah is coming straight from Ashani. I have nothing but love and respect for you. Look forward to spending the rest of my life with you. See? That's Ashani sending a birthday shout out to Sarah. I can't forget Robert. Big them up on them words, strong. We could go into the video, I say it's not gonna be long. All our Palm Grove Court have to tell me if you go stop my mother right now, because we not beg no friend. You not have to tell me if you go stop my mama, because we not beg no friend. I am not no blogger boy that came here to make friends with nobody. Feel free to hit the dislike button. But something not adding up with this story, guy. Price Johnson our house, them claim say unsound mind man a walk round a try door till him finally get to fear door, go in there, hold her down, force himself on her, mash up the whole her head, attack other man as him a come out and go about him business. If you know how Palm Grove Court set up, if you believe that story, you're the type of person that buys my unicorns. In other words, a madman. Palm Grove Court is a big scheme or apartment complex, whatever you want to call it. Building side of building is a place where if you sneeze, your neighbor hear. A man in there so, I walk from door to door. I try go in. Until him finally reach fear door. Get in. Hold on. Do what I do. Mash up the whole little girl face. Inflict serious wounds. Fatal wounds. Walk out back and go about in business. Unlikely. The young lady's name was Price Johnson. Spelled Price. Actual price. Murder most foul. An act of barbarism that if Ireland was a serious country, that dopey bat would have paid the ultimate price for this. For him do to that girl, he'd pay the ultimate price. All if he go court up plead guilty, he can't go so. But you know how the justice system stay already, so we will see. But residents are making it sound like a complete random act of violence, and I smell unicorn meat from miles away. This madman a walk around one community, a complex, an apartment complex, with a whole heap of high-rise building, like, you know, West Kingston still like that's a Tivoli or then Antonio, the high building them, side of each other going around, I saw the place stay. A madman a walk around that. I knock on door. I try going a door and nobody not see nothing. Nobody not hear nothing. These people are vile. Tell me if you go stop my mother all they want. Tell me say you can't wait for your man and kill me. I'm telling you that are some of the wickedest people them ever see. Me now if it dead if you tell us there's something right there so. The story is not adding up. Which madman can walk around them place there? You don't know Palm Grove Court? Which madman can walk on them place there? Try one door, oh, me can't get in. Try one next door, can't get in. And I go down the line, oh, that one I open. Go in there. The girl would immediately panic, walk one or so. Other man in there cause I say, man get injured too, you know. Claim say, I try to stop him. No alarm, no raise. When nobody react, madman, one madman I go through the place. And the man is to go in there, do money to the girl, injure the youth, and get back out, and alarm no raise, and residents no run in and bomb rush, no video, no audio, unicorn meat. Madman walk in the house, broad daylight, hold on, force himself on girl, kill girl, walk back out. Everybody blind, everybody deaf. You people are vile. I talk about residents them know sir, unicorn meet this guy. Them the place they've one little argument start. Everybody window crack open and look what going on there. Let me tell you something Palm Grove Court guy. Police running on the block. I tell you them have to hate me, you know. They have to go hate the little YouTuber. Me no want an Irish Saxon friend neither. Tell a long time someone I talk, oh look YouTuber. It's alright, can keep your ratings. Can keep your ratings, cause let me explain something to you guy. In a Ironman, if police go up on the block for smaddy, I could have the wickedest, most vile Irish Saxon pan 2 foot. Everybody take out them phone and everybody start record and there is a million different angles to record one thing. Everybody back at the police. A man walking a Palm Grove Court. I go door to door. Get in. Hold down the 14-year-old. Force himself on her, kill her. And left back. And we not have one video footage. Them your Irish Saxon phone don't work when time of criminals are run through the community. Tell the son I forgot you hate me today now. And this is just the warm-up call. Once people link up and you know say, oh, you know, so this one, that one, they follow up and organize in a Palm Grove court guy. But me I telling about only right now, the whole Palm Grove court I forgot tell me if it's up my mother. Because when police pass through, anywhere in the Irish man, phone come, you don't realize the Irish Saxons only interested in documenting. When time they hear the police are coming for a wanted man or something, you don't realize them phone don't work otherwise. Or some mix up or something like that. Two girls are fighting, them phone out, Ray, and we now have one footage of this madman. I repeat, when police step on the block, camera come out within 5 seconds. But man I walk through the whole complex, I go door to door, till him find one door open, go in the door him a do, come out, and nobody no see, and nobody no hear nothing. This a story that don't make no sense. No complex full of Irish Saxons can have man a walk door to door. And all them know walk door to door, that means that somebody that see him. All them know him did a walk door to door. Somebody that must see him a walk door to door. So when him enter the door, when you see him enter one of the door, when you see him enter Price Johnson door, how come no phone no come out? How come the noise no start make? Bull crap. Them no know him but they know say him mad. Guy, listen to me. Them no know him but them just know say him mad. Was he walking around with no clothes on his body? And you say, well, that must be a madman that. Then if you see somebody walk out in your complex with no clothes on them body, I go door to door and community no rush him, nobody no bomb rush him, iron and pickaxe stick no start reach him head right away, I must see one different Palm Grove court in our talk about, I must see one different Iron Man in our talk about. A man that is clearly of unsound mind. In other words, when you look on him, you can see a madman. I walk around in one complex, I go door to door, and people sit down and watch that, and him get time to go in there, do him a do to the girl, and go about him business, and no name suspect, yo, they better link up, you know. The only way them can know say a madman if they can't tell you how, is if him look clearly like a quote-unquote madman. In other words, he don't have no clothes and him look certain way. But them tell you say them see him go door to door. So people sit down and watch man go door to door, go in from Price Johnson, do him a do, and get time to go back out. And we not have one video footage of this man, one other footage. Move from there, Irish Saxon. Somebody better link up and tell me that story, you know. Oh, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.